Let's make some banana ice cream with simple ingredients we have at home. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So guys, these are all the ingredients that we'll be using for our ice cream, and I will list all in the description box below. So stay tuned. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for passing through again. And if you are new here, hi boo, welcome to my channel. Here we share a lot of different recipes, so stay tuned and don't go anywhere. So the first recipe is going to be the banana vanilla ice cream. So I've already frozen my bananas and I'm adding my milk into the blender. So after that, I'm adding 2 cups of Greek yogurt and then some vanilla sugar. You blend that thoroughly and let it smooth out as you pour it into your container. So now that it's ready, we just pour it out and move to our next recipe. So let's move to our next recipe. Into the blender, add some evaporated milk, then you add your frozen bananas and also some frozen dragon fruits. Add 2 tablespoons of condensed milk and then cover it and blend. So guys, if you like, you can add whipping cream, but with me, I'm not adding any of that. So now that our next recipe is ready, we set it aside and move to the next one. So our next recipe is chocolate banana ice cream, and with this ice cream you add 2 tablespoons of dark chocolate powder, and then you add 2 tablespoons of condensed milk and also some evaporated milk. Blend that together into a fine paste. Lest I forget, you have to add your frozen bananas as well. So you blend that together, and after it has formed a fine paste, pour it into your container and set it aside. So now that everything is ready, as you can see, I'm adding some chocolate chips into the chocolate banana ice cream before I'll freeze it. Yes, and the fourth recipe is a mixture of the first and the last recipe. So now that I've kept it in the fridge for about 6 hours, it's now ready to serve and enjoy. Scoop the ice cream into your cup, grab some spoon and then enjoy. Thank you for watching guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. I love you all and keep being you. Be beautiful. Merry Christmas in advance. Thank you guys. Bye.